Let's be honest. Your business doesn't need another coach telling you to manifest success by journaling and drinking kale smoothies. Here at Hyperion Business Solutions, we don't coach, we build. At Hyperion, we're not here to inspire you with motivational posters or talk in circles on Zoom calls. We're the business solutions team that rolls up our sleeves, plugs into your business, and helps fix the mess. From marketing to technology, from HR to supply issues. Whatever your business needs, we've got it. We integrate, strategize, execute, period. And here's the kicker. You get all the experience, none of the overhead. Stop wasting time and money on hope, hype, or hires that don't deliver. Stop the burnout. Stop the frustration. Start building real business wealth today. We're not coaches. We're the leadership you actually need. We understand your situation because the last time that we tried coaching, our CFO made the yoga instructor cry. Hyperion Business Solutions, the solutions team that actually works for you. Give us a call today and let us help you grow.